Hi guys, welcome back. All right, so today I have a cat crawling up my leg. I'm going to introduce you to my cat. Apparently, this is Trico. Say hi, Trico. She's my little love bug. All right, so let me put my cat down. Here you go, baby girl. All right, so today I'm going to be showing you guys not one, but two Ipsy subscriptions. Now, the first one came with coffee scrub. I love coffee, but I cannot use this because it has macadamia nut and almond oil in it, and I am allergic to them. So, especially the almond oil, I break out in hives. So, not so good. But I will be trading this for a serum, so not so bad. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and unpackage this one first. And if you ever see me like petting or something over here, it's because my kitten's over here, so she's a mommy's girl. Okay, so I got this. This is I Will Conquer, and then it has Game Face. I'm not going to read all this. This is the inside of the bag, which is very cute. Okay, then I got a charcoal mask, which feels really great in the package. So I'm looking forward to this. In my grapevine smeller, I got a mask brush, so I'm totally pairing the two together, and I can't wait to try this. And then I got some loose eyeshadow pigment in Sneaky, which is a gorgeous purple color. So I really cannot wait to use this. And then I'm not going to open this because it's all sealed and it's going to take me forever with my arthritis, but this is a gel eyeliner. And I love eyeliners, especially black ones. I wear them all the time. And I'm trying to up my game on my eyeliner because, I don't know, I suck at it. And then I got this really gorgeous lip color. And I will go ahead and swatch this one. Which looks very, very, very nice. I love the color. My cat is totally crawling up my leg still. Okay, so that does it for the first one. Now, for the second one, this is all the same. My profiles are different though. So I got the I Will Conquer again. I even changed like my hair color, my eye color and everything so that I get different products, or at least most of them are different. This is the loose pigment shadow. It's the same color, so I'm not going to take it out of the box. This is another black eyeliner that I got. It's just a different brand. So I do look forward to this. So that looks really nice. And I know I don't have the best looking hands. I apologize for that. It is hereditary, unfortunately. And then I got a micro facial exfoliating mask. And it says that it's good for like sensitive skin when I looked it up. So I look forward to using this too with my grapevines brush that I got. And then I got this, which is a highlighter, a shimmer, or an eyeshadow. So I really look forward to this because it looks wonderful. I'll probably be trying this one tomorrow. And then I got a different lipstick, which I'm really excited about. I'm glad I got both of them this time. And let me swatch that real quick. So you can see it's right there. Really pretty. So that is what I got for my second Ipsy. So if you're not joined with Ipsy, I totally recommend it. I love what I get every single month. There really hasn't been, I've been with them for 3 months. There hasn't been a month that I have not been excited about what I got. And so far I just have received one thing, which is the coffee scrub that I cannot use due to my own allergies, but I let them know that, and I changed up my profile a little bit so that I won't hopefully be getting stuff like that anymore. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and let this video go. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the Pomeranian if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, I love you!